Oh, you have to start over. Crap.
It's fine. It's
Well, tell them what you have in there.
So, welcome back. You're gonna need a blender, Minute Maid, anyway, any brand, limeade, frozen.
And it's half a can.
Yeah, half a can. But not. It doesn't have to be blackberries, but it can be any type of berry that's frozen and any type of soda and ice. So we're gonna do half a cup of our berries.
Ooh, sorry.
I like berry. Yeah. Okay, then after that, you're gonna put your Mountain Dew in.
You're going to do a cup of that. So you need your half a cup, and you're going to do it twice.
I couldn't find it. It'll be okay. So do your half a cup twice. As my great Nina said, show yourself. Mountain Dew tastes so good.
And you probably just need a half a cup of ice because all that stuff's frozen.
You don't want it too icy. Then come over here. Put your lid on.
The lid has to go on a special way.
What?
Take it off. No, just lift it up. Okay. The arrow right there. Wait, right there. Okay. Lock it. Power. And ice crush.
So now what you're gonna get some cups, and they're right over there. They can be mason jars or whatever you want them to be. We're gonna use this big mason jar.
Twist.
Take that off.
You might want to taste it, see if we need to add anything. It might be too sweet.
It's a little too sweet.
Okay, so we need extra ice probably. You probably need a whole cup of ice, and we're going to add a little water because that lemonade concentrate is really sweet.
So add, it's too sweet. Add
More ice?
a cup of water. All of the water?
Just a little bit of that, half of that. Yeah, that's good. Cut down the sweetness.
Put you don't sorry.
No, the other way.
Yeah.
Keep going. Nope.
Really?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, sorry. You had it right. I couldn't see.
Push
Power.
power and then.
Trick. Take it off the blender. Alright, and just flip this open. That way any big chunks of ice will stay through the strainer. Will stay in the...
So the moment of truth, I'm going to use this one. So
Is that one? Little one? Okay.
You better drink some, 'cause I don't know how to drink all this. Now for the moment of truth. I'm not gonna try that. Ready?
Woo, that's tart and sweet. Is it good?
Now you can try this at home. It is very, very safe. Just watch where your fingers go.
Mm-hmm.
That's very good.
That's very good. Blackberry limeade.
Yeah.
I think you got something going for you.
Yeah.
Blackberry limeade smoothie. And somebody could probably use orange juice instead of Mountain Dew.
Yeah, that'd be. I'm just gonna take it off.
Okay, close that lid first.
Can't miss off. Sorry. Okay. So I'm just gonna use this.
Just take the blade out. Look, take the blade out,
How do you do that?
pull it up, and shake it off. Yeah, don't. Just shake it off a little, yeah. And then put that in the sink with the lid. We'll rinse it off.
Yeah. Would you like some? Yes, you would. Smell it.
So pretty. Such a good job.
So thank you for watching and see you next time.